National Geographic. Fox Networks Group is an international multimedia company of the 21st Century Fox Media Group. Fox Networks Group develops, produces, distributes over 350 fully owned or majorly owned documentary, movie, sports and lifestyle channels in Europe, Asia, Africa and Latin America. The first National Geographic channel started in the USA in 1997. The media advertising channel in Finland includes National Geographic Channel and Fox and the online TV service Fox Play. The content includes a wide range of domestic and international series and movies, documentaries, children's programs, lifestyle programs, etc. Status in market. National Geographic television channel used to be a pay channel in Finland. The local free Fox channel, to which National Geographic channel belongs, was launched in Finland 2014. The Finnish free-to-air media house, known for its quality nature programs, is the first kind in the world. The pay channel market is not as big here as in the other countries, and I think Fox's success has enabled us to offer this content to Finnish viewers on our own channel, says Deborah Armstrong, the manager of National Geographic in Europe and Africa. She continues and explains that Fox Network Groups has been very successful in Finland with the free Fox channels, and National Geographic TV channel is a continuation of that. Deborah Armstrong says that they believe in National Geographic channel that free content will appeal to general public. The background of National Geographic is originally global, and naturally its content interests people worldwide. The most important task is to ensure that the quality of our content remains high, continues Deborah Armstrong. Although the channel has a lot of their own quality content, they can also take advantage of the existing Fox local organization. Fox channel started with an American content in Finland, but now National Geographic offers a lot of local content and TV programs, and Deborah Armstrong also hints that the possibility of Finnish content in the future can happen. Position in Mediascape. National Geographic started as a mission-based organization to increase awareness of nature, climate and animals. The media house was grounded naturally on a mission, but in the beginning there was a mission and values. We funded brave adventurers who were exploring new places in the wilderness, the real world. It's still a good basis to build on, Deborah Armstrong says. As a media company that provides, in addition to TV channel, National Geographic is also a magazine. The typical reader is entrepreneurial, high-profile, active novelty seeker who seeks exotism and experiences. He can afford to invest in quality of life, fashion, travel and status. As a consumer, he spends a lot of money and prefers products that makes life easier and more comfortable. Their target group is quite wide, so as a conclusion we can say that the products of National Geographic are mainstream, although not every person is a typical National Geographic consumer. Thank you.